Okay, this video is still about the complete combustion of alkane molecules. It's just that we're going to do the even numbered carbon ones this time, and there will be a slight catch to what happens. So the first thing, we still do the same, exactly the same. The number of carbons that we have to balance. So we've got 2 carbons in our ethane molecule, so we're going to have 2 carbon dioxide molecules to make 2 carbons. The next thing, you do your hydrogens. So we've got 6 in our ethane molecule. So our water molecules come with 2, so we're going to need 3 water molecules. So 3 lots of 2, 3 times 2 to make 6. So now we've got our carbons and hydrogens balanced, we have to do our oxygen. So you've got 2 lots of 2 here, so you've got 4. 2 lots of 2, and here you've got 3 lots of 1 because each water molecule only has 1. So 3 lots of 1. So when you add them up, 2, so 4, 3 makes 7. So you've got 4 oxygen, 3 oxygen to make 7. So normally we would just halve those because each oxygen comes in a pair. But you can see that there's a problem. So 7 can't be split into 2 because you would have 3.5 molecules. So the way of fixing this 3.5, there's 2 methods. You can put down the 3.5 first, like that. Realize that you can't have a half a molecule. So the entire thing needs to be doubled so that that becomes not a half anymore. So instead of having 1 of these, and a lot of people when they're doing this, they know the technique, but they always forget to put the 2 here. So you now have 2 of these, 7 of those, 4 of those, and 6 of those. So now they're all even. So the other method, apart from writing the 3.5 and then crossing it off, is if we go back to where we were before. So this is where we were before with our 4 and our 3. You realize at this point that you have a problem, so that you're going to have to double everything because that's always the method. So if we start doubling it, we've got 2 of these, 4 of those, 6 of those, and this will double all of that. Then at that point you realize now you can make this a half. So a half of 14 is 7. So whatever your method you use, whether you write it all, 1, 3.5, 2 and 3, and then just double it, or whether you get to that point where you realize that you're going to have to double everything and you just double these. So cross them off, cross off your 2, cross off your 3, put a 4, put a 6. Remember at that point, because people they are so busy with this, they always seem to forget to, if they're doubling everything, to put this 2. So that's a classic mistake, leaving that 2 off. Okay, so we're doing all our even numbered alkanes. They're the ones that have the problem. So have a go at butane, have a go at octane, pause the video, and I'll give you the answers. I can't top it. Where's mine?